This is one of the best shipping container projects you will come across. It is well built, amazing finishes, and innovative design using shipping containers. Interestingly, this house is an active listing. As indicated, is $395,000. It is a beautiful house, beautiful shipping container project. So this amazing house is built using several shipping containers which are stacked 2 stories high to create an amazing 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom container home with over 1,600 square feet of habitable space. On the inside, the finishes and furnishings are amazing. There's a view of the kitchen with a beautiful center island, amazing task lighting as indicated, and a beautiful dining set on the further end. A closer view of the kitchen, you'll notice the use of black on white, nice kitchen backsplash, exposed corrugated container ceilings, and amazing floor finishes. Look at that. Beautiful kitchen counter with breakfast sitting for 4. This butcher block live edge dining table is just amazing. General view of the kitchen and the dining. I love these dining seats, just amazing. Closer view of the lounge area, nice fireplace, sectional couch, 2 easy chairs, a big flat screen TV. I love the floor finishes, just beautiful wooden floors. This is a view of the half bathroom, amazing. That's a view of the staircase landing on the topmost level leading to the bedrooms. The view of one of the bedrooms. I like this corner window. The entire elevation is just glass with unrestricted view of the woods. Look at this other bedroom with the bunk bed and 2 big windows. The place is well lit. Beautiful bathroom, nice finishes, a mix of dark and wooden tiling. This is the view of the main bathroom. Look at these finishes, nice storage, dual sinks, beautiful mirrors, nice wall tiling, beautiful pattern both on the floor and on the wall. A spiral staircase connecting to the rooftop deck, barbecue jiko right there, view of the big picture windows, a generous outdoor deck, lots and lots of outdoor living spaces to complement the indoor functions of the house. This is a waterfront property. Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like our videos, you are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. By doing so, you'll support our channel to reach more viewers. If you are planning to build your own shipping container house, do not start from scratch. We have put together an amazing shipping container building guide that covers everything you need to know about how to build a shipping container house. Feel free to check it out and download free chapters of the book using the link below. If you like what you read, you can grab your own copy and start building. This guidebook includes over 300 pages of expert tips, step-by-step instructions, real examples, full color pictures, and professional illustrations structured into 14 detailed chapters. Inside the book, you'll find a free bonus, a floor plan of our most popular design, a real-world case study, and a checklist to plan your building costs. Download 2 free chapters of the book now. Grab your copy today using the link in the description below and start building. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via email using info@sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.